We'll guide you through how to reboot an Android phone. If you find this useful and you manage to do it with this guide, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So doing a reboot can often go and resolve a problem you may be facing, or it can just go and refresh things. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how it's done. It's important that you watch the entire video and don't go and skip ahead, as I'm going to guide you through multiple different ways you can try this in case you don't like one of the ways or it's not going to go and work for you. So it's important you watch the entire thing. Without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So here we are, we're just on the phone. So for the first way, we're going to go and be using the screen. However, if your phone is not working or there's an issue with it and you may not be able to, the second way is going to go and work better for you. So let's go and get started. So for the first way, what you can do is you can come onto the side of the device and you're going to need to go and find the side button just here. And what you want to do is go and tap and hold it. And shortly you should see this screen here. And then what you can do is go and press restart. And you can go and press restart again to confirm, and it will go and restart your phone and go and reboot it. That's the first way, but it involves using the screen, which may not be an option for you. So for the second way, what you need to do is you need to come onto the side and you're going to go and hold down this button, the power button we just pressed, and then the volume down button. We're going to press them together like so. Now keep them held down. If your phone is functioning as normal, you may go and see this screen here, but if it's stuck or frozen, you may not. Keep it held down. We're only going to go and release when we go and see it turning back on. Like that. And if you go and find that that combination of the volume down and the side button doesn't work, try using the volume up button and press it together like so. Now go and wait while it goes and starts again. It's now back on and you can go and unlock it and go and use it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the next one.